Hello to everyone. So we have another pretty strong earthquake in northern Africa, in northern Algeria. Here is the earthquake, 4.6 at 9:19 in the morning, which is 11:19 in Croatian time. So here is the Catalina V4, which is passing right through the northern Algeria at 10:07, which is pretty long way from the time of the earthquake. And here is the Mars on the other side, close to the cutting of the orbit, and the Moon. And this is what the earthquake note was the stronger. So I believe that something was like this, maybe rather, because this will be much more stronger. So let me go forward and see what's going on in the orbit here, because this is the very important moment. So this is, what was the time? Sorry, 11:19. 11:19. So let's see what's happened in this time in the northern Algeria. So this is the moment when the earthquake is registered in the northern Algeria. Here, you see that? Look at where is the orbit of Comet Catalina. It's going away, but look at this one, what I've been saying yesterday, and this has come through now. Let me show you this. Just a moment. So this is the moment of the earthquake, you see? So this is not laying on the epicenter. That's why the earthquake is not stronger than 4.7. But what is very impressive and important also is that Comet Catalina needs about 20 minutes to reach the ground. So if you go like this, I will show you what was the time of the earthquake. So let's say like this, okay? So this is approximately the time of the earthquake. So we have this one here, and we can see what is below the Algeria. So Algeria was in, what was the coordinates? 3:45 east. So let me see what lays in 3:45 east. What is here? 3:45. The moon is close, you see. The moon is very close, and this is what caused the strength of the earthquake. In the case that moon was not so close, this probably was very weak earthquake. So the moon below the Catalina, and Catalina is, let me see exactly where it's Catalina. Catalina is on the 22 degrees, and moon is on the where? Moon it was on 31. 31, yes. So there's a slight difference between about 10 degrees. This is why the earthquake is not stronger. But as you can see, here is the Jupiter and Catalina Panzer P 2013 R3B. These are all, and here's the Mars also, and Saturn. This everything is start to coming into the place for the strong earthquake. So it's the matter of the days where we can expect something very, very strong to hit somewhere the earth. Some inner voice telling me that according all what is happening here in this area, that Iran or southern Iran, this part here, may be the victim of this earthquake. But you never know, because it may be a bit on the left and a bit on the right. So it may be in Afghanistan, southern Iran, you know, it's very difficult to say that kind of prediction. But according to the planets which are standing about at the time of the full moon, that Iran border is exposed to this alignment on the May 21st, and I can show you this also here, and you will see which part is exposed. Just a moment. So we cannot ignore the planets. So let's go to the May 21st. Look at that here. Do you see that here? This is the alignment which takes Mars, Earth, Sun, and Venus. And if you look where the moon is in this time, just a moment, so that we can go back. Let's see where the moon is. So we can also predict. Here is the moon. Here is the moon. Look at that here. Now I will show you. Look at, we go a bit forward. And I will tell you exactly what I mean. Here it is. This is it. Now watch what is exposed to the moon side. Iran, you see that here? At 23:18, 21st May 2016. So the moon is here on this part of the world, and the comets are early in the morning covering this part of the early in the morning, somewhere early in the morning. So we may expect something between 20 and 21. I think that this period is very, very risky. I'm very worried about this full moon phase, because everything else it's set in that way that we can expect very strong earthquakes somewhere. Well, something inside of me saying the earthquake is going to be here in Iran, in this part of the world, in this part of the globe, if you wish, because we see that as a globe. So in this part here, because this is exposed to the alignment of the planets too. So this is it. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.